Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with a demo in with Excel file. So this is what happens. Once you download a new Excel file, which is basically an XLSM file because there is some macros in it. So it states for XLSM for macro. So what you need to do, once you download the file and it is in your download or wherever you have just downloaded the file, right click on it, right, go to the bottom, select properties, then click on unblock. Let me do it again. Right click on the file, go to the properties, select this unblock, apply, and OK. So this is basically a new update in the Windows. Now, if I'll open the file, let's see what happens. So this is a new update on Windows. So if there is any file which is with the macro, it's going to block it directly whenever you download it. Once you unblock it on your file on your system so that you can run it and see whatever the file is about. Now you can see you won't see any purple strip on the top of it. And now this will be fully functional. Let me show you on the other end as well. So if you will go to the variance tab and let's select not the January, maybe May, and click on refresh. You see this is a working. But if you will do directly open it once after downloading, this might not work. So this is the workaround. Okay, this is year to date. Again, there might not be any data available for this. Okay, this is working. And I think we have some data for no, we don't. Let's select the crime thing. We have something in here. We have something in here as well. So this is working. So this is the small trick. Whenever you download the file, you need to right click on it, go to properties and unblock it, and then try to use it. This will work. That is it from my side. Thank you.